would actually be knowing or have at least once seen the Mickey Mouse character. But do you know, after 95 years, the Mickey Mouse is now in the public domain with the IP rights for Walt Disney expiring just about a couple of days back. But wait, we are a crypto channel, so what do we have to do about Mickey Mouse IP expiring? In today's video, we are gonna reveal one secret token which was just released about a couple of days back and has got huge potential, my friends. So what is that token and what are some of the parameters of that token and why I am so excited about that token? Also, very importantly, friends, there is a secret airdrop that you can actually get if you watch this video till the end. So make sure you watch it till the very last. With that being said, let's jump on to today's video. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, make sure you join us on our Telegram channel as well. So let's jump on straight onto the video. So as I was discussing right at the beginning, the Time magazine, right? Not only Time magazine, a lot of media agencies have actually covered that after 95 years, the IP rights of the Mickey Mouse character has gone away from Disney and it's now in the public domain. What does that have to do? Well, there are quite a few NFTs that are coming up, and in today's video we are going to cover one particular NFT and a token related to it, which I feel can be really good. What is the name of the token? The name of the token is Willy, right? So as you can see, Willy. What is Willy? So Willy was actually a short film based on Mickey Mouse character which was released back in 1928. Yes friends, back in 1928 it was released, and there has been a new token which has been actually being developed based on that movie. And in this video, we are going to cover all about it, the tokenomics, the vesting schedule, why am I so much excited about that token, from where you can actually buy that token and how you can actually get your airdrops. So let's jump quickly onto the tokenomics and what this is all about. As I was mentioning, this is about this Willy character. So if you just simply Google Mickey Mouse IP expiration or Willy Mickey Mouse, you will be able to see all of these things, right? You will be able to see Steamboat Willy version of Mickey Mouse and so on and so forth, right? So this is the Steamboat Willy version that has entered into the public domain. This is the Steamboat Willy version, right? So as you can see, this is all about the tokenomics that we have about here. 27.3% is the initial liquidity, 10% is released during the TGE, that is the token generation event. But why am I so much excited? If you just scroll down right at the bottom, guys, you will be able to see that there are more than 48 billion tokens that will be distributed to the community, not only as rewards but as airdrops for NFT holders, guys. Yes, that is the most important thing. So if you actually hold on to these NFTs, you can actually get Willy tokens as airdrops. Now, what is the price of the NFTs? Let's quickly go to OpenSea and see the NFTs that are available. So we are right now on OpenSea, as you can see right here, and we are on the Willy page, right? Willy Mickey page, Steamboat Willy page. And what is the floor price? The floor price is just about 0.067 Ethereum. With the current price, that's even less than $200, guys, right? So Ethereum is currently trading at around the $2,200 mark. While I'm recording this video, there has been a sharp decline. These declines we should be treating as buying opportunity, friends. That is extremely important, right? So what is the floor price? The floor price is at around the $200 mark. I have actually got one of the NFTs. I probably will get a couple of more as well, and then we'll see how it goes from there. So if you hold any of these NFTs, there are high chances, actually there is a surety that you will get airdrops of Willy token. Now guys, please understand that holding NFTs is extremely risky, right? And you will need to do your own research before you can actually buy these NFTs. None of this is financial advice, of course. All I am doing is I am sharing what exactly am I buying and that's extremely important, friends, right? So these NFTs, I am very excited about. 2024, 2025, I am going to cover a lot more NFTs and airdrops. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, 2024 is going to be perhaps the biggest year for airdrops in crypto history, right? So I'm going to cover as much airdrops as possible, and as much NFTs and as much free NFTs and free airdrops that you can actually get into your token. Now, coming back, so these are the NFTs. Mind you, these NFTs are based on the Ethereum chain, so you might have to pay a certain gas fees, right? You can use wallets like MetaMask and a couple of others. So as we are speaking, some of the NFTs are getting sold off as well. You can see it right away. Okay, so that's very crucial, and there are like 2,000 only copies that are available, guys, right? So that's very important. What I'm doing, I bought one already, perhaps I'll be getting one more as well. Now, about the token, about the community, let's find it out. Let's go to Twitter first, or X rather, as we say. So currently Steamboat Willie has got only about 1192 followers. You know, very small community right now, and it's important that we can actually follow these projects, because this is the potential of huge gains, guys, right? But again, as I mentioned, none of this is financial advice. There is absolutely very risky. Mind you, for my majority of my bags are in Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. Only a small portion of my portfolio do I allocate to these NFTs and other small tokens. So do not make the mistake of allocating 50%, 75%, or for that matter even 100% of your portfolio to these small coins, because these are extremely risky. High risk, high reward kind of a gameplay are these. So you need to be extremely cautious. If you go over to their Twitter, you will find the address for the token as well. From where can you buy the token? You can buy the token from decentralized exchanges, right? So if we go to the token details, here we will be able to see the token is down almost 53%. That is because they got listed on the 1st of January 2024, right? So that's how soon, on how early we are covering these kind of projects. So you need to be on your toes with these ones. And in the past 24 hours, the price has gone down by 53%. That's completely fine. The liquidity is decent, 114,000. That's decent liquidity. The price is, it's in pennies. You can actually, even buy these. What am I doing? I am actually buying the NFTs rather than investing in these tokens. The primary reason is I can get the airdrops, as well as I can get the NFTs to sell at a higher price at a later point of time as well. So that is the reason I'm buying NFTs rather than these tokens. If you're not comfortable buying NFTs, you can buy these tokens as well. So that's also an option. Now, what is the fully diluted valuation? Fully diluted valuation is the total supply minus the burn supply multiplied by the current price. Given the current price and the full supply, the FDV is currently at $4.4 million. So guys, there is a good scope, I would say, that this can go upwards of probably 50 million or even $100 million. But time will only tell us, guys, right? And from where you can buy it, you can buy it, these tokens, if you wish to, directly from Uniswap, right? So if you want a video on how to buy tokens on Uniswap, go down and comment Uni, right? Comment Uni. And if you want me to create a video and buy an NFT live on the video, then go down onto the comment section and comment NFTs. I will buy an NFT right on the video and show you the end-to-end process of how to buy an NFT. Okay, and if you want me to cover how you can trade on Uniswap, or for that matter PancakeSwap, or any of these decentralized exchanges, go down and comment Uni. I will make a video on it. So guys, this particular token, I'm very much excited. Simple reason being, we are very early, and the craziness about the Mickey Mouse characters, guys. We all know how the world is crazy about these Mickey Mouse characters after 95 years, guys, right? So it's like not even once in a generation, it's once in a multi-generation that the Mickey Mouse character has gone public right now. So there would be a lot more NFTs based around Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse possibly going into the future. We will be covering most of them only if we see some potential in them, right guys? That's extremely important. Coming back to this, apart from this, there is 5% community rewards as well, and it's immediately at the TG. So this I think has been already been given, but your chance is to get your hands on this particular chunk. That's very, very, very crucial. Spread the word, guys, about this particular NFT. I think this has really good potential going into the future, right? With that being said, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you like these videos, go down again, comment, guys, what do you feel? Should we cover more of NFTs? Go down, comment NFTs. Do you want me to cover more of technical analysis? I will do that along the way. If you have been following our channel, you guys will be knowing about it, that we do a lot of technical analysis and we continuing doing it along the way. That's absolutely a commitment from our side. But it's also important, apart from the large caps, that I share with you certain micro caps, because we are very, very early this time around, guys. We haven't yet had the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving is due in about 90 odd days. So we are still early. We need to find these alpha projects, and I think we'll be doing good this time around. And also we'll be starting our premium channel. There have been inquiries about when we are going to start. Possibly in another month or so we are going to start our premium channel. So if you would like to be on a premium channel, then of course you can reach out to me on my Telegram. My Telegram is on the comments below. And yeah, this time around we are gonna be doing really, really good, guys, right? So if you like this kind of content, guys, make sure you smash up the like button. It's extremely important. Let the word spread about these NFTs, these coins, and yeah, let us make some money, guys. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.